Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Do you want to strengthen your heart and relationships? Discover what Allah asks you to avoid. Allah wants you to stay away from things that can harm your heart, damage your relationships, and weaken your connection with Him. Lies and dishonesty, no matter how small, always have negative consequences. Never lie. Because the Almighty Allah abhors harming people, avoid oppression and injustice. Recall that arrogance can be hazardous. Never allow pride to overcome humility in your heart. Do not gossip or speak poorly of people behind their backs. That only encourages sin and negativity. And don't let the desire for wealth or worldly pleasures consume you. These things can distract you from what truly matters. Allah has also commanded you to abstain from gambling and intoxicants, since they corrupt society and the mind. And never forget other people's rights. Whether it's your family, friends, or even strangers, treating people with respect and kindness is essential. Allah wants you to live a tranquil, purposeful, and close-knit life with Him, so He has commanded you to refrain from these things.